Welcome to our channel. My name is Sylvia and I'm a product specialist at Autenti. Do you want to send a document for a signature? It's very easy. All you have to do is log into your account, indicate who the recipient will be, attach the document file, and send it off. I'll be showing you how to do this. Log into your account on the Autenti platform. Next, click on the blue button, Create a new document. Add a document or several documents for signature. You can drag and drop files or select them from your local drive. Keep in mind, regardless the number of the attachments, you'll only need to sign one. In total, signed files can be up to 20 megabytes. In the next step, type the name of the document and add the recipients. Fill in the information such as name, surname, and email address. If the recipient is a company representative, add additional details. This information will be then displayed on the signatures and seals. You can add many recipients and assign them specific access, such as approving, signing, leaving opinions, or viewing the document, depending, of course, on the Autenti plan your company is using. Important: your document recipients do not need to open an Autenti account in order to sign. All they have to do is click on the secure link that will be sent to their email address. They will also not have to install or pay for anything. After adding all the recipients, click the Send button. It's done! A document that needs to be signed is already waiting in your recipient's inboxes. If the recipient is behind in signing the document, you can use the Remind option to send them an additional notification. All sent and signed documents, along with the real-time statuses, can be found on both the platform and in your inbox. As you've probably noticed, sending documents via Autenti is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Additionally, you can send documents remotely by using your web browser on your device or a dedicated mobile application. Log in to the platform and send your documents right now. See you in the next video. Want to find out more? Watch the following videos from Autenti Academy series.